Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
This is seen in next. Drug of choice for generalized anxiety disorder is alprazolam and benzodiazepines are used for generalized anxiety. That is, benzodiazepines are used for generalized anxiety disorders.
in generalized anxiety disorder, benzodiazepines are the drug of choice for generalized anxiety disorder. But these benzodiazepines can cause dependence in the patients. So in such cases, we can use other drugs like SSRIs, buspirone, and venlafaxine can be used in this condition whenever you feel that there can be abuse potential or dependence in the patient. Thank you and thank you for watching.